Choldocholithiasis. It is stones in the CBD and biliary tree. Classification I. Primary, rare, brown pigment stones. E. Secondary, common, black pigment stones, cholesterol stones. It is seen in 15% of gallstone disease, 75% are cholesterol stones, 15% are pigment stones. Primary stones. They are formed in CBD and biliary tree itself, and are multiple, often sludge-like, commonly pigment or mixed type, extends into hepatic ducts, brown pigment stones. Causes. 1. Defective pathophysiology of biliary tree causing stasis, biliary dyskinesia. 2. Congenital conditions like Caroli's disease, Choledochal cyst. 3. Infections and infestations like clonochiasis, ascariasis. 4. Others. Low protein diet, malnutrition, obesity, females, old age. Secondary biliary stones. They are from gallbladder, gallstones, passes through cystic duct to CBD. Here CBD and biliary tree are otherwise normal. Secondary stones are better and easier to manage than primary stones. Commonly gallstones get impacted in supraduodenal portion of CBD. Note: black pigment stones are common in hemolytic diseases, cirrhosis, ileal resection, fasting for long time, TPN for long time, home TPN. Intrahepatic stones are common: biliary sepsis, biliary stasis, parasitic infection, malnutrition. Retained stones means, if stones are found in CBD within 2 years of cholecystectomy. Recurrent stones means, if stones are found in CBD 2 years after cholecystectomy. Clinical features. Incidental CBD stones along with jaundice, without jaundice, pain, it may be biliary colic, non-specified abdominal pain, pain of ascending cholangitis, pain of pancreatitis. Jaundice, most common clinical manifestation, fever with chills and rigors. Charcot's triad of ascending cholangitis. Intermittent pain, may be colicky, intermittent fever, intermittent jaundice. Stone moves proximally in fluid oats, obstruction is relieved and symptoms subside, intermittent features. Stone in CBD due to impaction. Causes obstruction. Jaundice, pain. Stasis. Infection, bacteremia and fever. Reynolds pentad of acute obstructive cholangitis, suppurative cholangitis. Sometimes obstruction persists causing persistent pain, persistent fever, persistent jaundice, shock, toxicity, and altered mental status. Here biliary tree contains pus, pain and tenderness in epigastrium and right hypochondrium, steatorrhea and darkening of urine, pruritus. Complications. Fig. 12.54. Multiple stones removed from common bile duct and hepatic. Liver dysfunction and biliary cirrhosis, white bile formation and liver failure, suppurative cholangitis, liver abscess, septicemia, pancreatitis if CBD stone is near sphincter of Oddi blocking drainage of bile in pancreatic duct. Differential diagnosis. Obstructive jaundice due to other causes. Carcinoma of head of pancreas, carcinoma of periumpulary region, carcinoma of biliary tree, biliary stricture, viral hepatitis. Investigations. OUS abdomen. CBD diameter greater than 1 cm indicates biliary obstruction. OERCP, gold standard for diagnosis. OMRCP, liver function tests. Endultrasonography is useful, EUS. It is more accurate. OPTC if only indicated. Treatment. Injection with K 10 mg IM once a day for 5 days or FFP infusion to correct the prothrombin time. OIV antibiotics, sfoperazone, sfotaxime, O correction of dehydration. OIV mannitol daily 200 ml BD to prevent hepatorenal syndrome. OERCP, therapeutic, i.e. endoscopic papillotomy, sphincterotomy, and stone extraction through Domier basket or balloon catheter, or fragmenting the stone and extraction, or removal through baby endoscope. CBD stent is placed in situ. Complications of sphincterotomy: bleeding, sepsis, perforation, pancreatitis. Once CBD stones are extracted through ERCP, laparoscopic cholecystectomy is done. In open cholecystectomy after the removal of gallbladder, on-table cholangiogram is done through cystic duct using water-soluble iodine dye to see any stones in CBD. Using stay sutures, choldocotomy is done, opened longitudinally, to remove stones in CBD. Indications for choldocotomy: after open cholecystectomy, U.S. shows stone in CBD, palpable stone in CBD, CBD diameter greater than 10 mm, recent history of jaundice, and with raised serum alkaline phosphatase level. On-table cholangiogram shows stone, done using C-arm image machine. Failure of stone extraction by ERCP prior to cholecystectomy. When in doubt, after choldocotomy, stones are removed using Desjardins choldocolithotomy forceps. Bake's CBD dilator is used to confirm the CBD patency. T-tube, CARES, is then placed in the CBD and kept for 14 days. After 14 days, a postoperative T-tube cholangiogram is done to see for free fluid or of dye into the duodenum, so the T-tube can be removed. If T-tube cholangiogram shows persistent stone, it can be extracted after 6 weeks, through a basket, Domier, or catheter, Fogarty, through the track or through a choldocoscope. Retained stones can also be removed through ERCP. After open cholecystectomy, on-table ERCP can be tried if there are indications for CBD intervention case of secondary CBD stone, and if ERCP was not done prior to cholecystectomy. If secondary stone is retrieved by this method, open exploration of CBD can be avoided. Laparoscopic CBD exploration is becoming popular with availability of expertise in high-technology imaging and instruments. Methods to confirm the removal of T-tube: clamp the T-tube after 10 to 14 days and observe 48 hours for development of pain, jaundice and fever. Confirm free fluid or of dye in T-tube cholangiogram. Management of retained CBD stones. Small stones may spontaneously pass down. Heparinized saline or bile acid fluid oozing through the T-tube. Wash 250 ml of normal saline with 25,000 IV heparin for 5 days. Bahen technique, Canada. After 6 weeks, once T-tube track gets matured, track if needed is dilated using graduated dilators. Either using Domier basket or Fogarty catheter or choldocoscope, stone is removed through T-tube track under fluid oroscopic guidance, C-arm. ERCP and stone removal in 3 weeks. Reparation if everything fails, either transduodenal sphincteroplasty or choldocojejunostomy. ESWL with endoscopic sphincterotomy, extraction, lavage, stenting. Through percutaneous transhepatic route, cholangioscope is passed and CBD is visualized. Stone is identified and removed using Dommier basket or Fogarty catheter. Laparoscopic cholecystectomy, open cholecystectomy, often with choledochojejunostomy. Treatment of primary CBD stones is difficult and is associated with more complications. Preferred procedures: O transduodenal sphincteroplasty, open method, or O open choledochoduodenostomy, side to side, or O open choledochojejunostomy, Roux-en-Y method. These procedures attain complete drainage of bile. Postoperatively, they may often require long-term antibiotics. Indications for choledochoduodenostomy, choledochojejunostomy, or multiple CBD calculi with distal narrowing, funnel syndrome, or papillary stenosis, or impacted calculi, or biliary sludge, symptomatic, or residual stones. Prerequisite for choledochoduodenostomy, OCBD should be more than 1.4 cm and stoma should be 2 cm. Advantages of choledochoduodenostomy are: O bile leak is minimal, not there. O beneficial is a permanent remedy in multiple stones, sludge, stenosis, strictures, intrahepatic stones. Problem with choledochoduodenostomy, O SUMP syndrome. Note: Roux-en-Y choledochojejunostomy is equally good as choledochoduodenostomy. Remember, O gallstones are commonly radiolucent, 90%, O multiple stones are usually faceted because of exertion of equal pressure in a compact gallbladder. O plain X-ray shows radio-opaque lesion to the right side of the vertebra below rib cage. It should be differentiated from kidney stones. In lateral view X-ray, gallstone will be in front of the vertebra whereas kidney stone overlaps the vertebra. Often gallstone has got central radiolucent area, Siegel sign, Mercedes-Benz sign. O silent, asymptomatic gallstone is one which is identified on routine investigation where there are no specified relevant symptoms related to gallstones. Chances of developing symptoms in a silent gallstone is 5% in 5 years and 20% in 15 years. O presently ultrasound is ideal investigation for gallstones. O to see gallbladder function or confirm room cholecystitis radioisotope HIDA, PIPIDA scan is ideal. O cholecystitis can cause jaundice due to cholangitis. But other causes of jaundice should be ruled out. CBD stones, Mirizi syndrome. O limy gallbladder is gallbladder filled with toothpaste-like mixture of calcium carbonate and calcium phosphate. Plain X-ray shows dense radio-opaque gallbladder shadow, opacified gallbladder. O porcelain gallbladder is one where gallbladder wall is calcified because of chronic cholecystitis. It is potentially malignant. It should be removed either by open or laparoscopic method. O cholesterol stone occurs when there is alteration in levels of cholesterol, lecithin and bile salts. This altered bile has got more cholesterol than adequate micellar and is called as lithogenic bile. Here bile is in supramicellar zone. Cholesterol stone is radiolucent but causes acoustic shadow in U.S. O mixed stones are most common, 90%. O gallstone is a tombstone erected to the memory of the organism within it, Monahan's aphorism. O saint's triad, gallstones, colonic diverticulosis, hiatus hernia. O complications of gallstones, acute cholecystitis, chronic cholecystitis, empyema gallbladder, mucocele of gallbladder, perforation and peritonitis, secondary CBD stones, cholangitis, pancreatitis, Mirizi syndrome, gallstone ileus, pericholecystic abscess and carcinoma of gallbladder. O black pigment stones are more common in gallbladder. Brown pigment stones are common in CBD. Cholesterol stones are common in Western countries. Pigment mixed stones are common in Asian countries. O acute calculus cholecystitis is 5% common. It occurs after stress, major surgeries or in cholecystosis. O xanthogranulomatous cholecystitis is a rare pathological condition. Gallbladder is thickened with chronic inflammation. It is yellow xanthogranulomatous in nature. It often extends to adjacent organs. It is due to reaction to penetrated bile. O residual, retained bile duct stones are one which is present in CBD within 2 years of initial surgery, cholecystectomy. They are usually missed secondary bile duct stones. O recurrent bile duct stones are one which is present 2 years after the initial surgery, cholecystectomy and CBD exploration. They are primary biliary stones. Salmonella cholecystitis, typhoid Mary, a cook in New York transmitted typhoid through her infected feces and urine, causes typhoid gallbladder. It can cause acute or chronic cholecystitis. Salmonella itself may predispose stone formation. Patient may be silent typhoid carrier. SUMP syndrome. It is commonly observed after choledochoduodenostomy, rarely after choledochojejunostomy. CBD distal to the choledochoduodenostomy acts as a reservoir with stasis of food particles, bile, stones and sludge. Often it causes cholangitis and narrowing of the stoma of choledochoduodenostomy. Conversion to N-tained ruse NY choledochojejunostomy is required. Cavoisier's law. O. In a patient with jaundice, if there is palpable gallbladder, it is not due to stones. In obstruction due to CBD stone, gallbladder does not distend because it is chronically inflamed, thickened, fibrotic, contracted and non-distensible. 695. O. In malignancy, like carcinoma of head of the pancreas or periampullary carcinoma, gallbladder will be distended and palpable to the right of rectus muscle in the right hypochondrium, as non-tender, globular, smooth, soft, dull mass which moves with respiration and with horizontal mobility. Rule may not be useful in absence of gallbladder, intrahepatic gallbladder, previous cholecystectomy. Exceptions to the rule are O. Double impacted stone, one in CBD and one in cystic duct, with mucocele of gallbladder. O. Large stone in Hartmann's pouch. O. Empyema gallbladder with CBD stone.